Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making homemade puff pastry. It's quick and easy, made with simple ingredients. For our ingredients, we have 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, and anywhere from 8 to 10 tablespoons of cold water. You want to place your butter in your freezer for at least 10 minutes. And another trick that I have learned is to put your flour in the freezer too. So in a large mixing bowl, we're going to add our flour, our tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. We're going to whisk our flour and our sugar and our salt together. So we're going to dump our butter into our flour mixture. You want to toss the butter into the flour mixture with your hands until it is well coated. That prevents your butter from sticking together. Here I'm cutting my butter into my flour. You want to drizzle 6 tablespoons of water over and fold the mixture together until your mixture clumps together. You want to continue to add water, a tablespoon at a time, until a loose and crumble dough forms. Your dough should be able to hold together when you squeeze it. So you want to gently knead the dough a few times in the bowl until a cohesive mass is formed. So here I'm just squeezing it together. We're just going to get that all mixed up together. Okay, here is my cohesive mass has formed. I'm going to shape it into a 1/2 inch thick square, and I'm going to wrap it tightly in some plastic wrap. So here I'm just going to wrap my dough tightly into my plastic wrap, and then we're going to chill it for an hour. And then once it has chilled, we're going to take it out of the freezer. So what you want to do on a lightly floured surface, you want to roll the chilled dough out to about a 1/2 inch thick, and we're going to fold the dough into thirds. And then we're going to turn it 90 degrees, and we're going to repeat and roll again. And then we're going to fold it into thirds again, and we're going to rotate it again, and we're going to do this 3 more times. And after the 3rd time, you want to fold it. You want to fold it back into thirds, and you want to wrap it tightly into your plastic wrap. Then you want to chill it for at least 2 hours or up to 2 days. You could either place it in a freezer bag and freeze it for up to 2 months. So our dough has chilled for 2 more hours, and here it is. I just took it out of the refrigerator. I'm going to roll it out, and I'm just going to make a sample. So I'm going to roll it out. So here I'm just cutting the excess dough off. I want to make 2 beautiful slices of this puff pastry dough. So I'm just lining them up so they are even when I put them on the tray. So now I'm just going to place them on the tray, and I'm going to stick them in my oven. I'm going to bake them until they are golden brown and they rise. And here's our puff pastry dough and the beautiful layers in between. We have made puff pastry dough. And I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.